Okay, right, ladies and gents, let's look at gold. So currently we are on the 1 hour time frame. So based on our top-down analysis, the one I dropped yesterday, I said if gold breaks up below this triangle right there, if gold breaks below it, it will come back to retest it, and then come back to retest our key zone right there, and then continue to the upside. So for now, we can see gold has break below our triangle. It's about to retest it now, and then I'm gonna wait for it to give us a proper retest of that zone right there to continue with the upside. But let's look on the 15 minute. So on the 15 minute, let me just zoom it out. So on the 15 minute, let me just delete this one. So on the 15 minute currently, that gap is our new resistance zone now. It's our new minor resistance zone. And where the market turn, it's our new minor support zone now. So let's mark that out for us. So this zone right here, it's our new resistance zone. And this zone right here, it's our new support zone. So today we're gonna move between that zones. So what do we expect on gold today? Today we expect gold to come back to retest this area of support, this minor support area, and once it retests, we can continue to the upside. So if gold can come back and retest this area, we're gonna look for buys here by this area of support there to continue to the upside. But if that doesn't happen, we're gonna wait for gold to break above our resistance zone right there, that minor resistance zone. So we're gonna wait for gold to break above that resistance zone, come back to retest it, and then we're gonna look for buys right at that resistance zone to continue to the upside. And currently we can see gold is making some sort of consolidation right there. So that is also a minor resistance. Let me just mark it out for you guys. I don't want to confuse you guys a lot. So that is also a minor resistance zone right there, and thus it's a minor support zone right there. So when gold come back down to retest this area, it might come back down. It might come back down until there to retest that area and continue to the upside. So for today, we're gonna wait for gold to come back to this area of support to take our buys, or we're gonna wait for it to break above this area of resistance, come back to retest it to take our buys. So that is what we are waiting on currently. So let's be patient, gents. Let's be patient. I'm gonna give the signal once gold break above this and come back to retest it, or come back to this area of support, come back to retest this area and continue to the upside. So this is the two levels I'm watching today. So I'm waiting for gold to break above or below either levels in order for us to take our buys. So right, gents, let's be patient. I'm gonna give the signal once we have a valid setup. So in order to sum everything up, we're gonna take our buys right there, our stop loss below that low, our take profit 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 in profit. Or if gold comes back down, we're gonna take our buys right there, our stop loss there, our take profit 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 in profit. So we are waiting for that two possibilities to happen today. So let's wait and see which one is gonna happen, how gold is gonna play out, and then we're just gonna follow with the markets.